Hi, my name is Rajiv. I'm a banker by profession and I am an AVP and branch head in one of the reputed Bank of India. And as far as my family is concerned, I have two kids. One is 9 years old, one is 11 years old. I have a wife who is an housewife. She is in 24/7 profession. Nevertheless, she was my you may say that she's an important companion in my professional journey. Yeah. Now the thing is that how I reached there from business background to these professions. Well, it's a long journey and a lot of hard work required to get into this. See, I have done my masters in finance in 2004. Then after I thought that whether it would be wise to go for the business, family business or profession. Since I do not have any acquaintance in the corporate world, so I decided to stand off my own. So I just wanted to into the banking profession because it is a noble profession. A lot of touch my hobbies into this, meeting various people and know about their professions and hobbies. So I get into this job. So there is a public domain. So I can interact with many of the person from many of the areas. So after doing my masters, so I decided to go for this investment because I had a flair of this investment. I learned about in professional teaching how people are investing, how people are into the finance world. So I just want to be a financial wizard. So I went for this. I passed my stock holding corporation exam in 2004. It was an intense competition. Then I had an opportunity to work at Ahmedabad, and then I joined one of the biggest bank of the India. I cannot disclose the name right now, but 3 years I worked there. Now in present organization, which is the India's biggest bank. It is one of the India's biggest bank. I started my journey in 2008 from a mere deputy manager. Then I did very hard work with my colleague, with my team, with my seniors, with support of seniors. Now in very small age, I am an AVP of that bank and handle the supervisory position, and I am enjoying my job. You might heard that banking is a tough job, but if you enjoy your work, nothing is tough. You start enjoy your work, and you will feel that all works are tough. It is true in every sense. Whether it is a tea seller or whether it is a sweeper, their works are very different. Their works are very tough. Still, if you enjoy your work, nothing is tough. See, world is challenging, world is growing, world is changing. You might have seen this in COVID period also. Whole world changed. So challenges are everywhere. But if your learning is high, your learning is good, so you can have wonders in your professions. Stick to one profession for many times, you will see growth automatically. Many of time you baffled कि मेरे को ये job छोड़ देना चाहिए, कि whether to leave the job or whether to continue the job. But stick to the challenges because every field there are challenges, and it is my suggestions to everybody: stick to one field for many times. Start learning the processes. Process is the theme in every profession. If you stick to your process in professions, you will achieve the greater heights. See, as far as my inspirations are concerned, everyone who is grown from the ground level are my inspirations. See, I have admiration for only two people, for many people, but basically I follow only two people. It is Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the great president of India and the great scientist, the missile man of India. And the second I love by my heart is Rahul Dravid, because I love his compassion, its dedication toward their job. So they inspired me, and of course the most important inspiration in life, it will be yours only. Whom I grown up with, they are my parents. My father is really a hardworking, and of course my mother, who did a lot of sacrifices to bring us up, and they are my motivators. See, the most important skills one should go while starting their profession is merely follow the common sense and process. Again, the process is the same. Whatever being taught to you, whatever being advised to you, just follow that from the seniors, because they have a vast experience They will spend their days in and days out. They will spend so many hours, and you are lucky one that if you get a good tutor. So means out of their experience, they give you summary in just seconds, and if you follow that, because world is more knowledgeable now, we can easily communicate between us, among us. So whatever the advice, whatever the processes are being taught to you, just follow that, and you will see that you will be doing great in your profession. As far as my profession is concerned, it requires some public skills and some common sense, because you are dealing with the public money. So ethics, transparency, customer centricity are the main thing you should focus on. Yeah, I grew up in Udaipur and stick to one school itself, because I have an uncanny habit of sticking to the one institution and being loyal to that institution. So I studied in Udaipur itself, and in one of the noted school of the Udaipur. And throughout my life, I enjoyed the friends' company and family company, friends, nearby acquaintance, near acquaintance. I grew up with them. और बस अच्छे लोगों का साथ मिलता गया, हम आगे बढ़ते गए, तो जीवन में कोई परेशानी नहीं आई. तो अच्छे लोगों का साथ अपनाइए. आपकी जहाँ से ट्यूनिंग्स होती हैं, उन कस्टमर उनको अपने साथ रखिए, ताकि वो अपने हम सब मिलके आगे बढ़ेंगे तो हम अच्छा कर पाएंगे. वी कैन ऑल go together, then we'll achieve together. See, if I put into the time machine, and if I've been asked what would you have done if you are not a banker, so I would definitely love my profession as a sports person, because later in life we realize that the fitness is everything, strength is everything, physical strength is everything. So a sportsman person do have a strength. You can see the legends like Milkha Singh and other great, they are still fit. So if I would not be a banker, I would have definitely go where the physical strengths require more, and I would definitely love to be a sports person. See, my funny stuff is funny stuff means everything you would love to do apart from your major job. So I spend a lot of time with my children and playing the game, which are not mobile based and TV based. I would love to with them and bring back those memories which I have learned in my life, like playing Changabatti, Concords, some small thing, छुपनी पकानी, जो हम बचपन में खेला करते थे. तो मेरा फन वही है कि मैं उनको पुरानी मेमोरीज में ले जाऊं और उनको बताऊं कि एक मोबाइल और टीवी के बाद भी क्या दुनिया है. तो दे लव्ड दिस थिंग, और मुझे काफ़ी आई फील सेटिस्फाइड व्हेन आई teach them about my past. Thank you very much for listening me and sparing time for this, spending 10 minutes with me. And if anything I can do for you, I can help you out, so please reach to me. I will be available. And thing I follow in 2 lines I follow in my life is, I am since my profession is into the investment, we suggest some investment, we help the people to grow their money in various fields of investment. But my quotation is the most important investment is the hard work and honesty. It is the only investment that never fails in life. Thank you all. Thank you again. Jai Hind.